LAQ, third problem. Write down. Given curve is x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3. Next, parametric equations of the above curve are x equal to a cos q theta, y equal to a sin q theta. What is the given question? Tangent to the curve. This is the curve. Tangent to the curve cuts the quad axis at A and B. Show that length of AB is constant. First calculate equation of the tangent. First write that one. dx by d theta a into derivative of the power function 3 cos square theta, derivative of cos theta minus sin theta. Next, dy by d theta a into 3 sin square theta, derivative of sin theta cos theta. So dy by dx, dy by d theta by dx by d theta, dy by d theta a 3 sin square theta cos theta a 3 cos square theta minus sin theta. A cancel, 3 cancel, sin theta square cancel, cos theta square cancel. So dy by m equal to dy by dx equal to sin theta by minus cos theta. This is slope. Point is nothing but this one. P point is a cos cube theta, a sin cube theta. This point is this one. So using this point and this slope, calculate equation of the tangent. Write down. Equation of the tangent is y minus y1 equal to dy by dx into x minus x1 y minus a sin cube theta equal to minus sin theta by cos theta into x minus a cos cube theta. A cos cube theta. This is the equation of the tangent line. First calculate A point. A point lies on x-axis. So put it y equal to 0. After that one, put it B point lies on y-axis. Put x equal to 0. So calculate A point and B point. Write down. Put it y equal to 0. So 0 minus A sin q theta by minus sin theta by cos theta into x minus A cos q theta. Sin theta cancel. Minus cancel. We want x value. Take cross multiplication. A sin square theta cos theta equal to x minus A cos cube theta. Bring this one into LHS. A sin square theta cos theta A cos cube theta equal to x. Take A cos theta common. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to x. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. A cos theta equal to x. Therefore, capital A point A cos theta comma 0. Next, similarly calculate capital B point. Capital B point. Put it x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. Y minus A cos q theta equal to minus sin theta by cos theta. X value 0. So minus A cos cube theta cancel. Y minus A cos cube theta minus into minus plus A sin theta cos square theta. Bring this one. Y equal to A sin theta cos square theta minus becomes to plus. Take A cos theta common. A sin theta cos square theta. Take A cos cube theta, put x equal to 0 minus A sin theta by cos theta, A cos cube theta minus y minus, this is a sin cube. So y equal to A sin theta cos square theta plus A sin cube theta. Take A sin theta common. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. A sin theta into 1. So B point 0 comma A sin theta. We want distance between AB is constant. So calculate AB distance. AB under root x2 minus x1 A cos theta minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 0 minus A sin theta whole square. So A square cos square theta A square sin square theta. Take A square common. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. A square value, root A square value 1. That is a constant. That is constant.